Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use Claude Sonnet to analyze the stock market. So guys, if you want to analyze the stock market, so there are the different methods that you can use to analyze the stock market. First, guys, you simply search Google the best AI prompt for analyzing the uh, share market. So you just copy and the paste. Okay, like here you see that you are the fundamental equity research analyst for the company. Here you enter the company name and here you enter the sector. Company provide this breakdown, revenue, segment and lot of these things. Present the structure table followed by the brief summary. Okay, so this is the way that you can analyze your business model breakdown prompts. Using the prompts, access the competitive modes with AI, sectors, micro, context prompts. Okay, so here you provide only the sector details, and your if you want to get a company details, so you also enter the company name and you use these prompts related to the cash flow, ORCES, valuation, multiple based valuation prompts, farming DCF and scenario based prompt. Okay, here you also check the mapping key risks with the AI, so you just use these prompts. So here you see this is the official website of Corporate Finance Institute. Okay, second thing is guys, you create your own prompts. You just type the prompts and here you simply paste it and enter the details of your company and whatever you want. Okay, and you just use it. Okay, second thing, and which is very good and mostly I used it, which is you used the charts. How you use the charts in the Cloud AI? So you simply open the, like, in trading view. Okay, okay, then go here and choose, for example I choose the Bitcoin. Okay, here I'm go for the full chart. Now here I'm change my time frame to the 1 hour. Now this is my chart and this is my buy sell and all lot of these things are show here. So you simply take the screenshot of this particular chart, and if you are able to download, so download this chart. Then guys, open your Cloud AI, go for this plus icon, and guys, here you see add the file at the photos. Then guys, you add the photos from the screenshot, just click it. Now you simply search analyze this chart. I think I am typed the wrong spelling of analyze, but it works. Okay, now you simply enter and it's figuring out and give all these details like the price started near sharp pullback, recovery, yellow, blue, moving average, strategy analysis, volumes, current reads. So here you see the regional, this is the back tested live study overlay, no investment advice. This is from the cloud side. But here you see currently price is hovering right between the EMA 20 and EMA 50 after triggering a local high, essentially digest the last rally. So as long it's hold above EMA 50, the bullish structure remain intact. So this is that. So this is the way that you can use. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.